How to enable auto reply for an email account in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to enable auto reply for an email account. Click the Mail tab. Select an email address for which you want to set up an auto reply. Then click the Auto Reply tab. Click to switch on auto reply, then complete the form. If you also want the original message forwarded to another email, enter it in the Forward to field. When ready, click OK. That's it! Now when an email is sent to john@mybiz1234.com, the auto reply message will automatically be sent back to the sender. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to enable auto reply for an email account in Plesk.